are going to be making some super cute emoji squishies. These squishies are so cute, they would make perfect Valentine's Day gifts. A little while back, I did a squishy video and I made this super cute watermelon. So if you want to know how to make a watermelon squishy, I'll leave the link down below to watch my video. If you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina, and before we get on to the video, remember to hit that red subscribe button, and if you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up. And just so you guys know, I post Wednesdays and Saturdays, so if you check on those days, I should have a new video out. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So you're going to need some memory foam. I found this memory foam pillow at Walmart for $10, and this is like perfect for a squishy. So now we're going to take a pencil and we're just going to outline a circle onto our memory foam. So now we're going to go ahead and take our scissors and now we're going to cut along our outline. Depending on how sharp your scissors are, this may take a while, so remember to have patience. Okay, so now I have this really good shape, and now I'm just going to repeat the process one more time because I'm going to make 4 squishies. Okay, so I was really curious and I cut this squishy in half and it actually is much better shape. The other one was too thick. These ones are a perfect size, so if your memory foam pillow is really thick, cut it in half and it makes like the perfect size. So now we're going to use some paint. I found this paint at Michael's for $10, and make sure that it says it's puffy paint because if it doesn't, it will not work on the squishy and it'll chip and flake off really bad. And because these are emojis, we're going to go ahead and paint them all yellow. So it's been about 20 minutes and the paint is pretty dry. So now I'm going to take a small brush and just paint on some really cute faces on the emojis. Oh my goodness, these are so cute! These turned out really cute. I used the other acrylic paint and as you can see it split and it's chipping off really bad, and I used new one and as you can see it's not doing that at all, so be sure to use puffy paint if you do this craft. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and I hope you liked it, and if you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and comment down below what other squishies you would like me to do. Bye! See you guys next week!